Alright, we are 3 weeks old today. And our blankets are all flat because I just cleaned in here, but they're nursing, so now I have to wait till they're done nursing. And by the time I get back, I'm sure Mommy will have everything all bundled up in a pile again. Oh, look at them butts. Oh my gosh, look at them butts.
Joan, where are you? Oh, there you are. You're with Izzy and Theo.
Hey.
Lovey dovey's.
They're 3 weeks old today. And, oh, guess what? First, let me tell you what happened. So their mommy was laying on the couch. And I'm like, well, you can't ignore babies. So I brought them up here to my bedroom. Been a half hour. She don't even care. But anyway, look at this. Look what we got today. We got teeth. You got teeth too? Let me see. Oh, yeah, I can feel them.
Oh, he's got all the front ones. Not the canines, but the front ones are all there.
It's almost time for me to start feeding you. That's why Mommy left. 'Cause it's my turn to start feeding you and taking care of you. Oh. These puppies are going to be so spoiled because there's only 2, so I can just pick them up, scoop them, and bring them anywhere. Yeah. And it's going to be so much easier to potty train them too because, you know how I normally feed puppies on the patio?
Yeah.
Yeah. I won't have so many to carry to bring outside. I can just put them in the grass because after they eat, they go potty. So, yeah, potty training is going to be a lot easier too.
Well, right in the middle of the yard, she's like, why'd you stop? Why'd you stop? Oh, who's that pretty lady? Oh, who's that pretty lady? Oh, hello. Hi, Izzy.
Hi, I'm Izzy.
Good deal.
And
What
I'm
you doing,
Theo.
good boy? Where's your good boy? Where's your good boy? You love your sissy, don't you? Yeah, she's just a tired gal. Yeah. Well, found ya.
Are you tucking them in for the night?
Yes. Then you cutie little guys need Blinky.
I'm surprised Mom kept the blanket flat. Or did you guys fix it?
I fixed it.
You fixed it?
Well, it's still a little like this, but it's still look at this. Look at all this.
Wait, but you just came in.
Look at all that skin. Look at this.
Theo, what are they doing to you?
You guys all
What are the kids
so much
doing?
skin. You have so much extra skin, guys. Oh, stay up. Come on. He's talking.
He's talking?
He's like,
Normally she's the talker.
Yeah, she talks in her sleep. Did you know that?
Who talks in their sleep?
Izzy.
Izzy talks in her sleep?
The most talkative dog I've ever met is Gypsy.
Oh,
Yeah, Gypsy.
Yeah, Gypsy's a talker. Theo really likes your knees, Cambria.
I hate these.
Oh, look at them play with each other.
Be nice.
No, they were over 3 pounds last week.
Well, they're really cute. I love these little babies.
Oh, is he peeing?
Oh, you.
Yay!
No, that's it. You. Not. Yay.
You should have been in here a minute sooner, Mom.
Ew. She's licking his pee.
She's cleaning up after her baby. That's what they do.
But that's gross.
Hi, you want a hug good night? Thank you for the night kisses.
Imagine if you had to lick
Thank
my
you.
pee. Imagine if you had to clean up after us and lick our pee. Gross. Would you like to do that?
Oh,
And
good
we-
night, sweeties.
And we poop everywhere and you bite it and you freeze it into snacks.
Good night, little sweeties.
Ew, cutie.
Good night. Oh, why? I'm getting licked in the face and the neck. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
You're so cute.
Okay, we're going to bed now. We're going to bed now.